crypto to help you to make that green. Yo, they gotta let your Cryptokings showing you how to invest and live your dreams. So for those of you who wanna make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo.
What is going on? Welcome back to another episode of the Cryptokings live stream, guys. We have a giveaway we're doing today, $500. We have a potential banger that is undervalued, sitting on KuCoin that nobody is talking about. And we're going to be talking about some TA, market analysis, what's going on in Hong Kong, and just a few other things. B-Roots, how you doing, man? Looking freaking, you got the Gucci. You got the freaking, what is that, Armani on? Wow, bro, looking fresh today. How's it going?
Yes, sir. What's going on, man? This is going to be a banger of a show. We got some hidden gems. We got some real excitement. TA, I made some tweets to this morning to let people know KuCoin is where it's at. Matter of fact, let me get this tweet real quick because I forgot to let everybody know we're on right now. I didn't do that tweet that KuCoin is where it's at because I'm doing it right now. But yeah, KuCoin is where it's at. It's where you find the low gems, the low market gems that nobody is talking about. These coins that get on KuCoin during the bear market and everyone forgets about them, but they're just waiting. I'm telling y'all, I had some of the biggest gainers on KuCoin. There's always a KuCoin bull market when things get going. So I like to stack up some gems on KuCoin. Last time I did it, last bull market, it was Darrow. Pulled a nice 50x on Darrow, which was a privacy coin that nobody was talking about at all. And even to this day, no one really knows what it is, but coins smash it on KuCoin. They're known to have their own little bull market. So right now, as the market is starting to turn up, find its very last bottom of the bull market in the $20,000 area, this is where I feel you need to start sprinkling, going into some plays, getting ready for the bull market. But yes, I've got some good TA coming that I'm very excited to see.
Absolutely.
You should be excited to see. I already saw it. I'm seeing it now, but
let's go, man. I'm excited for that. Guys, smash that like button if you guys want to see some TA, if you guys want to learn how to win $500 on this giveaway, as well as this banger, this potential banger we're going to drop that's on KuCoin only. We're obviously going to be talking about Pulsechain as well. So I see you, Pumpy Bag, asking about Pulsechain. Of course, we are going to talk about that. Let's just start out because we got our small group in here. It's growing. The room's filling up as we speak. But I want you guys to get first access to jump on this giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and pull this up right here. Bam. So I tweeted it out. And what I want you guys to do right here, the pinned tweet right here, I want you guys to retweet this. Retweet and and tag 2 friends. Retweet this, tag 2 friends. Right now, we're going to check to make sure, and that is how you guys are going to win $500. We're going to give away live on the stream at the end of this show. So, guys, go to my page, my Twitter page right here, and make sure you guys retweet it and tag 2 friends right now. And this will make you guys eligible for winning this giveaway. So go ahead and jump on Twitter. I can even drop that link in the chat just so you guys can jump in there and potentially win $500. And we can also drop this banger. B-Roots, I think we need to see a few more likes so you can pull this TA up. You haven't even told me about it, bro, but I can tell you're excited.
No, I just looked at it, so it just kind of threw it off. So a lot of stuff. This is why we call it a live stream, because none of this shit's planned at all. Just let you know. we barely go over with this, and when I bring up the TA and I bring up the charts, I haven't looked at it for a week. This is just as new to you as it's new to me. So you get the real actions. You get me drawing my lines. You see how I'm actually thinking in real time. And I present it to you how I feel as I see it. So as I just brought up the charts and you said, hey, we're going to get some TA, I brought up a chart and I saw something and I said, bullish.
Bullish.
1,000%
My favorite word.
bullish.
My favorite word, B-Roots. You know that. All right, guys, we got 23 likes. We got 60 people in here. Let's at least get it up to 40 likes so we can get some of this TA. And, guys, go over and retweet that because we're going to give you guys $500 giveaway. We got about 58 people in the room, 60 people in the room currently. Right now, I only see 13 tweets, guys. So if you're missing out to win $500, I don't know what you're doing. The tweet is pinned to the top of my page on Twitter. So make sure you guys jump on over there and retweet that space right now.
That's going to be that's the easiest chance to literally win $500 right now. Is that right there. Absolutely. And you're going to get a coin that no one else has even talked about. Hasn't been tweeted out yet. Hasn't been talked about. It comes on this show right here. So you retweet it, get as many people on here. We all know it's not going to be the Shield Tank numbers because YouTube is a little different than our audience on YouTube or Shield or Twitter. But we want to give the loyal ones, a giveaway to the most loyal ones. Now we got some loyal ones on Twitter. We got some loyal Shield Tank people, but those who come on YouTube and Twitter are the most loyal ones. And we thought, hey, why not give them a giveaway? It's going to be small numbers. I'm sure it's going to be smaller numbers, but give them a giveaway, and they will have access first to the coin that we found.
All right, cool, man. Well, let me just say what up in the chat, and then I think we're going to go ahead and start with the TA. Sambo Dave, what's going on? We got SKT Crypto Gunner in the house. I'm going to butcher that name. I'm not even going to try. Dixon, good to see you, Dixon. As always, Pineapple Steph in the house. We got Ryu. What up? Samba, I already said you. And, guys, keep smashing that like button. Consider subscribing. B-Roots, let's pull up some TA before we drop this coin. And if you're new, just joining us, make sure you guys enter to win $500. We're going to give away within less than an hour. This stream will be an hour today. So within 45 minutes, we're going to do a giveaway.
Yes.
So go ahead and pull that up, and let's see what we got.
Damn. Let's start with daily, and then I'll share the screen here. Bam, present, share screen. Bam. Bam.
All right, let's see.
This is a little different. This that you are looking at, and can you see this? Just make sure you can see.
Yep.
That can't see. This right here is the total market cap. 1.095 trillion is the total market cap. But I want to zoom out a little bit. Start off with the 1 week. That chart looks bullish. It looks like it's about to curve right back up. It is going off of a trend line. And as I saw it, I said bullish. That is a trend line. So we take that. Bam. That is bullish. You look at this 1 month. That is bullish. It's making its way up. You look at the 6 month, the 3 month. That looks even more bullish. It might want to come and retest this right here. It looks like it already did. Nice. That line right there, I would want to retest to say it's bullish. And look, it did. Oh, does that look like a ascending triangle? Going up, touches. It came here, retested there, broke it, retested it, got pushed down, retested it, got pushed down, banged out of it, and retesting it. That is bullish, peeps. That is on the 3 month chart. Let's look at the 6 month chart. Looks even more bullish. Lower, it went low. It created a lower low, a higher low. Now this created a higher low, this candle, and a higher high. Now it's time to go. So what I'm saying, peeps, is this right here is about to start another candle, another 6 month candle after this month. We've already tested this. What I could see happening one time is us closing above this, retesting this line. The way we retested it on the 3 month See how we went up, got rejected, and retested this line on the 6-month chart. The same thing I could see happening in the future. So I'm showing you what can happen in the future. What I see in the 1-month chart turns over to the 3-month chart. What I see in the 3-month chart will turn over into the 6-month chart. What I see in the 6-month chart will turn into the 1-year chart. So what I could see happening is this closing this month. So I believe we could see a very, very bullish month, another 20 to 30% money coming from stable coins into the crypto coin market, increasing this amount. So maybe closing in this area right here. And then next month, retest this and see you later for the next 6 months. Like this is July of 2025 right here. 6-month candles, 6-month candles, 6-month candles, 6-month candles, 6-month candles. Look what happened here. We had red month, green month, red month, see ya. Red month, green month, maybe a very small red month next month. And it might just, to retest levels. And then see ya for the next 4 or 5 candles. So if we have a nice little retest red month next month or in the next 6 months, then you're getting ready to get in these coins. Like I want to get in these coins at the low. This is the time to get in these coins at the low. Next month, maybe you dabble at coins like the KuCoin coin, like in these times right now, because what happens is you have the following 4, 5, 6-month candles that are green. 1, 2, which is the halving time right here. So this is there, halving time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, January of 2026, or 4, July of 2025. Forget 2 red months, a green month, a retest of a red month. Damn, I didn't sign in yet. Fuck.
Join for free, bro.
I'm already a member. That's weird.
This is ETH, right?
No, this is the total market cap.
Oh, okay. Total market cap.
So this is everything. This is everybody.
Gotcha.
I made a tweet earlier today. Everybody can win. And this is what I mean. Everyone wins with this. As this goes higher, everybody wins. So I'm going to give a little secret that I'm going to say today that everyone's going to forget. Where could we go? Usually, you got somewhere in this area, or this area. So what you see is parabolic. So let's look at the last time we topped out. Where did we go to? So what I'm doing is I'm taking a fib extension level. And we topped out right here at a $764 million market cap back in July 2017. But then we had that red month, green month, red month, green. And we topped out just above the 3.618. We all know crypto is full of cycles. And what happens one time is likely to happen again. So what do? We just move this up to the previous all-time high. And let's see where we can go. The 3.618 is a $10.93 trillion market cap. Now, understand why I made this tweet. If Richard Hart and I can say we may think different on some things, but we can move the Hex, Pulsechain, and Pulsechain ball faster together, then you can do the same no matter what community you are in. Look at the cycles, which I just presented to you. It's go time soon. which I just presented to you. Let's 10x the total market cap. Everyone wins. What is the total market cap at right now? The total market cap right now is a $1.1 trillion market cap. It's go time, in my opinion, to 10x all of this in total market caps. 10x that Bitcoin price, or maybe 5x that Bitcoin price, and 5x the Ethereum price, and then all the rest of the trillions go into these other coins.
Yeah, obviously it won't evenly spread out across the markets, but that kind of money coming in, obviously you're gonna have the blue chips, they're gonna do their thing, like you said, Beard said, if people haven't watched the laws of meme coins, every cycle, usually the higher market cap coins don't do as many X's, but you got the new coins coming in, like Pulsechain, like these other projects that are coming up, like one we're talking about today. And you're going to see money flowing to them. And because they're so low, the X's are just so exponential. Just bam, bam, bam. It's so much quicker to do a 2X, 3X, 4X, 100X, 1000X. Obviously, if Bitcoin, people are talking about $1 million Bitcoin over and over and over again. It's like on Instagram. And it's just, it's kind of that super hopium and it's kind of moon boy talk. But I think it's just kind of the beginning of the bull market, getting that hype, that potential. You get retail like, oh, that could, I don't know, what's 27,000 divided by $1 million? That's whatever it is, a 20X or something like that. People are getting excited about it. And then also we had a news drop June 1st. As of June 1st, Hong Kong is now, retail investors are now allowed to invest. Do you think there's going to be a narrative of, maybe more Asian coins, or do you think they're going to, pump markets, or you think it's just kind of a little news thing that is probably not going to do much?
I think that is the buy the rumor, sell the news for all the Asian coins that were going realistically on Ethereum. But at the same time, I think if you're in crypto, you're already, when they ban it, they already, are already in the space. It doesn't take nothing. Like China, how many times has China banned crypto? Do you think China really, the people in China stopped trading and that was it? No, that's just not possible.
Correct.
There's a way around everything in any type of government law. So there's a loophole, there's a way to do things, there's always ways. So I don't think that helps, but it does help the bullish narrative. It helps, get that bounce off. Actually, speaking of bounce off, I think we may have bounced off that line of Bitcoin.
Yeah, why don't we go ahead and pull that up? Because you talked about, I think it got front ran by just a couple $100, and it bounced right where you were talking about on last week's show. If you guys did not check that out, there are receipts. We were talking about TA. I think it was 25.4 that you were saying. It was right around that area, and it hit like 25.7, 25.8. I'm probably a little bit off on those numbers, but they are close. Let's go ahead and pull up the charts and take a quick look, guys, and smash that like button. We're giving away $500 live on the show, and we're dropping a potential banger on KuCoin, and we're going to have Shield Tank announcements as well. So we got a lot going on right now.
Yeah, give me a bit. I had that person that tried to hack my trading deal. That's probably why it freaking logged me out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man.
No way. Everybody always trying to get some free. It costs nothing for trading view.
Yeah, straight up, man. I'm also excited. I mean, listen, man. Also, everything going down with Pulsechain. I know we talk about that a lot, and PulseX. I've been buying almost every day, $2,000, $3,000, whatever I can, afford to bring over. I have a bag, and I'm just DCAing. I'm not. I was gonna try to time the absolute low, but a chat with B Roots kind of brought me to my senses. Just DCA every day. If you got it, you can do it. Obviously nothing on here is financial advice, but this is what we are doing right now in the markets, buying more of Pulsechain, because I think that with this little bit of FUD, which Beards, you called it. I mean, these layer ones, they have their little FUD cycle. It happened, but we're going to talk about that in a bit. We're going to even pull up the Pulsechain chart. PulseX, man, I didn't even invest in it much, to be honest, just because I'm a lot more bullish on the layer one. PulseX needs Pulsechain, and I'm just more bullish on the one that can be built on. I'm more bullish on Pulsechain because of all the meme coins that can go on it and all the hype behind it. It's literally the product of Richard Hart that I believe, PulseX I thought can still do. Look at Dex Tools. Uniswap. Look at Uniswap. Uniswap had a coin, and it did decent gains, but it didn't do anything of what like Ethereum did. Obviously, it's a little bit different there, but the layer one, in my opinion, is always going to do the most gains. So, all right, let's pull this up.
I was able to trade, and I hope whoever tried to hack me on TradingView,
they got wrecked.
Well, I put a two-factor.
There you go.
On my TradingView. So all right, let's see here. BTC US dollar Bitstamp. Log in the chart. And my lines are still there. Cool. So let's see here. Bam, bam. Recent share screen. BTC. Bam. There we go. I called it a magnet. Got front ran a little bit. Just a little bit, bro.
By how much, though? I thought it was maybe
the magnet was at 25. Let's call 5 to even it out. Okay. And it went down to 25.8.
So $400.
Yeah. 25.8, bam. $400 and bounce right off of it. So if we decide sometime in July, remember I said that retest candle where we go up, everyone gets bullish this month, and then we give back a little bit some of those gains next month for the next 6 months, and everyone thinks it's all bearish and dead and over with. Another reason why I said you might not see a 10x in Pulsechain for another 6 months. You could have that retest here, or maybe even right down here, and just get, and boom, get going. But I don't see us going this low. We could. I just don't see it, but it's possible. However, it's opportunity. It's go time. It's time to find those super gem micro caps, those super gem meme coins, those layer ones that freshly came out during this bear period, and make as many gains as you possibly can. This is the time. If you're watching this right now, you couldn't be in any better position, in my opinion, for crypto. This is it. And that magnet, in my opinion, was hit. Just missed about $400.
I was even kind of laughing too. Like, think about it. Do you think the Hong Kong government opened up crypto at like the perfect time for these guys? Imagine if you were living in Hong Kong and you just wanted to invest. All of a sudden it's legal. Boom, you've got all your freaking apps you can use now. You can invest in crypto. This is a pretty good time to get into crypto. Like, you're kind of at just the bottom of the hill as far as climbing. Yeah, we'll probably have some retracements. Yeah, we might go down a little bit lower. But for the most part, within the next year, if you invest in some decent coins, you're going to be in a very good spot. Potentially.
This is another reason why I think it's just about to get bullish on Ethereum. This is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So what this tells you is it better to hold Bitcoin or is it better to hold Ethereum? There is a beautiful trend line that was just broken. I'm showing you this live, people. I haven't even looked at this. Woo. Hello.
Look at that thing peeking its head up.
Yep. We might have a bullish fucking we might have a very bullish
June
June.
1st with a little breakout. Obviously, it's got to hold and keep going.
Hello. Look at this, bro. We might just go. This is on the weekly. This is on the monthly right here. And monthly, it's been in a downtrend this whole time. Created a double bottom right here. Bam, broke out. And now we're officially out of that we're out. You could see, a retest up here maybe. So get ready, folks. I think June's going to be pretty nice. I think June could be a pretty good month.
Shout out to Dixon. Sorry,
good.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
No, I was just saying, shout out to Dixon for regulating and moderating our chat right now. He's stopping the spammers. But yeah, man, going back to what you said, Beer, it's like this June could be nice. June could be pretty and bullish for crypto. And it was kind of weird too, because we were talking about it, 2 days ago, especially in the Pulsechain and Pulsex community, it was like bear market vibes, bro. People were getting called scammers. People were freaking mad and angry and fearful.
You know when that was? That was during this right here. All this right here was when everything was like crashing. Everyone thought it was over. And then it went up and everyone loved life. And then bam, 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 right here. This was the last few months ago, a couple months ago, where it was like just the bearishness kind of came back, and then boom, boom, boom. It's about to be good times again.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
cool,
man, like I said, when you have good times like this, you want to prepare yourself for the best. And there's a KuCoin going out there, man. $2 million market cap. $2 million market cap. How many likes we got?
Let me check. We got 81 people in here, and people are blowing up the I think almost every single person's retweeted. Not quite 70. We got 70 retweets on the $500 giveaway that we're just about to do. I wish Twitter, maybe I don't know something about it, but I don't see where you can see the likes. But we got 54 likes with 83
well, you gotta
people.
Click on it. You got to click on the actual YouTube video.
No, I know that, but I'm looking on my phone. So right now we got, oh no, we've only got 23 likes.
No, you're wrong on that. I got 44.
Okay.
So get that to 50, and then we can talk about the gem before anyone else knows about it. Which is going to be kind of similar how I do my, I brought up and said, subscription. I'm going to have a subscription-based Twitter soon. It's actually going through the rankings right now, or the submission right now, to see if my account is allowed to have it. But it's going to be pretty good stuff, to where, any plays that I personally get in, I am going to do an in-depth thread on why. So you can have my thought process. B Roots is leaving one day. So I'm trying to train others to have my thought process. But you will have that information first before the others get it. So that's how I'm going to do things. We're going to test that out, see how that goes. Do some personal once a week, either Telegram calls or Q&As on Spaces. Hopefully I can do a Spaces, I'm not going to do a Q and Shill Tank on my regular account. That's going to be my regular account.
I know, I'm just kidding.
If I get a coin, if I get in a coin on Shill Tank and I like it, hey, I might type about why I like this coin. That's the stuff. They get the access to my brain. is what you're getting. You're getting my education and my brain is going to that side of Twitter, and I'll continue doing what I do. But you're gonna get a lot more in-depth access, and I might only respond to my regular Twitter to my super fans.
Yeah, man.
So,
all right, man. We got 56 likes. We have checked that box. It is time.
all right, you want to take it away? I'll get the charts.
All right, so we kind of see a narrative kind of playing out in the near future, and you always want to front run the narrative. If you can find, or if you can try to predict what the next narrative is, and you might have to do multiple things because it is impossible. Nobody can predict the future. What is going to be the next narrative in crypto, right? We've seen AI, we've seen Chinese coins right now are kind of the things that are going up. We have seen all these different coins. We had the meme, we had the frogs. So you always want to try to front run the narrative, because if you know what you're looking for, not only can you win on one play, but you can win on multiple plays. So we see a narrative kind of coming up, and it's in a sector that could definitely go viral, that can go worldwide. It's actually not a great thing for a country in the world, but it's a narrative nonetheless. And this narrative is, I'll let you kind of, we'll pull up the chart before I drop it.
Hold on a second,
Yeah, you're good. It's something though that we see, because what goes in crypto when something goes viral, and what makes it go viral? That it's an issue, or it's something that can go worldwide. News, Twitter, even Elon talking about it. And that is where you have a narrative that is so strong that gets the most volume, that gets the most gains as far as that. You had Pepe. It came out of nowhere. That one kind of slowly built up, and that became the narrative. A lot of other coins did well behind it. Look at Bob came behind it. These other coins that use that narrative. But if you can get it in front of something that could go viral worldwide, all across the world, on every news station, your biggest people on the news in crypto are all talking about it, because it's either an issue or it's just a narrative of what's happening. It's a worldwide event. So,
yeah. So let's talk about the chart first, the crypto side about it. Let's reveal what it is, and then we will gladly talk about what it actually. And then we'll talk about how and why we think this could be a banger. And this is not financial advice. This is us just front running the market and showing you how we do things, how we see the opportunities out there. Have this part of the market been touched yet? Has it been talked about yet? This hasn't. And this is why I like getting in place. Like AI was being talked about a while ago, but people kind of did not see it. They did not hear it. And this is kind of presenting itself also. So let's bring this and share the screen. And I'm just going to go over the chart first.
Yeah, and it's just smart too, man. Like, you have your meme coin plays. You have some money for your blue chips. You have some money for up-and-coming narratives. You have some money sitting in your wallet for layer ones. And this is what will make you be successful, because at the end of the day, peeps, this is a numbers game. So don't go all in on one coin, but spread that ETH around. Spread it around, because the more numbers, the more lines you got in the water, the more chance you got to catch that big fish. All right, here we go. I'm pulling the chart up. You ready?
Yeah.
Bam.
There it is. Reveal is the name. And I just revealed it to you. But it is REV3L. So make sure when you spell it's actually, I guess you say Revel, but it's not really reveal. But
well, the actual
it's reveal. Yeah, it's
the ticker
reveal.
symbol.
It's just the ticker symbol is Revel, but reveal is the actual name. But anyways, this coin is surprising a lot of people off because of the market cap. So if you were to look at this on Dex Tools, you see it says $11 million market cap. That is 1,000% incorrect. So what I see here in doing my research and checking, and then I finally kind of reached out to the team to get some more information on it. you see here a downtrend that happened during the bear market. So it came out in September. And what was happening during that time? A lot of FUD. A lot of people know already talking. Like, you know, coins in bull markets come out when nobody else is like bullish on the market. It is the best time to come out because people do not see it. People do not think about it. People don't do anything with it. So what you see here is a coin that came out October of last year and then kind of slowly went down. And then you can see right here, the volume just tapered off. Nobody else was willing to sell. And then a pop. Boom, boom. This is a legit project that literally got kicked down to a 400,000 market cap and is now sitting at a $2 million market cap in the cyber security sector. Now, please tell me what coin that you know that is in the cyber security sector. I don't know many. I know coins that know how to read contracts and things like that. And those aren't even really coins, but they're just kind of like, we're going to save the space from doing this, and we're going to do this. And then you just got your random devs just saying that this is what they're going to do. This is what they're going to represent. And it's all the same stuff. But these guys actually come from the cybersecurity sector. So they are already on KuCoin. Through this whole process, even though the price was going down, somehow they got on KuCoin. Now, you can also get it on PancakeSwap through BNB, but you also can get it on KuCoin. So let's go over the actual. I got to share a different screen. So. Website. Okay. So we're just presenting to you guys. He's got this team providing multi-layered cybersecurity solutions and securing digital assets in the Web3 space. Patent pending anti-counterfeit and digital watermark technology. Patent pending. So they're already sending in patents for all this stuff. This is a $2 million market cap sleeper that no one's talking about. So when I go into all this stuff, you can kind of go into the website, check it out for yourself. REV, the number 3 AL.io. I don't know if you're able to hear this though.
Should click on it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, we can.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
Woo. That shit got
Yes.
Yeah, that shit got me wanting to fucking just straight up go back into wrestling or something, man.
I know that one got me a little hype. And no, the thing too, guys, in all seriousness, what I do like about it as well is we still have a big, I think this bull run we're going to see, VR, metaverse. I think that's going to be a huge narrative. The way things are going, I mean, Apple's about to get into this, and we're expect it, guys. Expect that to also be a narrative. And there's going to be a lot of scammers. Whenever there's a new narrative, whenever something big pops up, you have scam after scam after scam. People are sick of scams. There's so many scams in Ethereum right now. It's crazy. How many coins come out every single day? And, I like the name. It reveals the scams, and you're in the metaverse. You're on a VR set. Are you talking to a robot or a real person? Are you being scammed by a robot? Like, these are real things that most people haven't thought about. And Reveal is, getting in front of this sector and going to look to be the top security coin on the Web3 space. And obviously, they got that patent pending. And I like what we see, man. It's a good place.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I mean, I think the next big thing that a lot of people didn't, when you see all that, backers, Hedera Hashgraph, Near Protocol, NFT technology, like some of these things, these metaverse partners, they're already partnering with people that are building right now within the metaverse. Something like that right there, Blockchain Valley Virtual, something you want to, really look at. That kind of pops out at me. Utherverse. A lot of people don't know about Otherverse. This is a big metaverse, I believe, that's coming out on Hedera Hashgraph, if I'm correct. I want to see, this is a massive. This right here, like Otherverse, is basically the sandbox of Hedera Hashgraph. The what's the other one? The central land of Hedera Hashgraph, a little better. Not a lot of people are talking about this. This is going to be massive. Some of the biggest channels on YouTube are talking about Otherverse, and nobody else is talking about it right now. And these guys are already, got a partnership with these guys. So they're already making the connections for the security side of gaming, for the security side of the metaverse, for the security side of NFTs. So are you getting a fake NFT or not? So these are the things that I was looking for in my actually, this is going to go into my I'm gonna make some changes to my $30 to $2 million market cap for fact. And now, a partnership with Dawson Racing. So these are like real life companies, and this thing is at a $2 million market cap, people. A lot of people are looking at the wrong market cap. REV3AL.
It does
right here. If you show this, it doesn't tell you the market cap. It's sitting at a penny. It doesn't tell you the market cap. But if you go on Coin Market Cap, or it doesn't tell you on CoinGecko.
No, it shows you on CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at a $2.136 million market cap, fully diluted market cap. That's what it's saying. That's like the diluted one, 11 million.
Yep.
So
right here is, I'm trying to bring up that actual market cap.
Go to CoinMarketCap.
Where you at? I am on there.
Oh, okay.
Do you not see it?
No, I was on another screen. Sorry.
Where are you at?
And also, guys, remember, we are giving away $500 in Reveal. I believe the devs are going to give it away. All you have to do is go retweet the pinned tweet to my space. And I mean, should we drop the news on Chill Tank?
Yeah, what we'll do. This is what we're going to do. And like I said, you can bring it up on CoinMarketCap and see that's a $2 million market cap coin. What we're going to do, since we decided to soft reveal, we are going to literally give away $500 to those who retweet, not the Twitter space. I didn't put the Twitter space out. That's a whole different giveaway tomorrow on Shill.
It's $1,000.
The team is coming on Shill Tank. They will be the Shill Tank, sponsors for tomorrow's show. We have not released that information yet. But because you guys are on YouTube, we decided to drop it first on YouTube. Do a retweet to that right there, and we will give the winner $500 worth of reveal before the public even knows about reveal coming on Shill Tank. And for all the others who don't win,
you'll have a chance.
Opportunity.
And you'll have a chance to win $1,000 in reveal tomorrow on Shill Tank Live. That is tomorrow. That space will be done very shortly. We're already 47 minutes into the show. Pretty crazy. It went fast.
We're gonna have, go ahead.
We're just gonna have the dev come on Shill Tank tomorrow. You're gonna hear him pitch straight to you guys. If you guys have questions about it, jump in their Telegram. They will answer those questions. Obviously, don't ask questions on Shill Tank. You know the rules. And yeah, man, we're gonna do that giveaway soon. And I mean, I know people everyone wants to talk about Pulsechain too.
Yeah. Well, here's the funny thing about Pulsechain. There may or may not, I'm not going to say it out there, there may or may not be something on Pulsechain with reveal. So I'm not going to sit here and put any of that information out. They know about it. Certain members of the team have already sacrificed for it. Just know everything kind of happens for a reason. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So yes, you have your opportunity right now to ask any questions you have in the Telegram. You have an opportunity right now to look into it to see if it's something that you like. It's a micro cap and a serious coin. And I think when you hear them talk tomorrow, you're going to be like, dang.
And
you're going to be like, damn. So
yeah.
We heard them talk for about, what, an hour, 2 hours?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. They're definitely, I mean, it's a real company, guys. This is a real corporate company. Also, too, I see, like we were talking about the narrative, for more of you people that I wouldn't call you conspiracy theorists, because a lot of those conspiracies have been coming true, as far as like with COVID and stuff. We don't get into politics, but what I've been seeing float around a lot is like the next like pandemic, if you want to say that, is going to be cyber attacks. Like we are going to witness some of the greatest threats to this country right now, and especially with our money going more digital, is going to be cyber attacks. And what does that propose? That means we need companies to come in and beef up. There's always going to be this attack, just like people who traffic drugs. The security gets better, the drug dealers get smarter. Security gets better, and it's going to be that constant tipping point with cyber attacks as well. The scammers get smarter, then security people get smarter, and it's just this constant here. So Reveal's looking to be the number one cybersecurity on Web3, and they have come out. They put themselves in a good position. Something to look into, guys. We say diversify. B-Roots is doing his $2,000 or $20,000 to is it $30,000 to $2 million challenge, and he's going to add that to it. And this is what it's about, guys. It's a numbers game. We use those meme coins, those DGEM plays that you could throw a couple $100 in, and you could be 100,000, 10,000, 5,000, and then you can invest and diversify your portfolio into more blue chips, into other coins, other sectors. Be ready, guys, because there's going to be bull runs happening in all different areas, and you make sure you want to at least catch a percentage of that. You're not going to catch them all, so get that idea out of your head. Catch a percentage of these bull runs that are going to happen on different networks, on different sectors, different narratives. So all we're saying is be prepared. this is another great layer one that I am. If you want to say spread your assets, don't go all in. Well, this is the closest one to me and B-Root's probably going all in on. So through the FUD, I've been buying, man. I've been seeing red is opportunity for me on Pulsechain. Do you think Richard Hart is going to let people get a bunch of fast gains and get rich quick schemes? Bro, have you not been following Hex for the past 3 years? All he talks about is delaying gratification to get rewarded. All he talks about is his ego. I. Do you think Richard Hart is going to let his ego get shattered on his layer one product that he's been working on for 2 years? No, he's shaking out weak hands. He's shaking out non-believers, and he is getting ready, in my opinion, my humble opinion, to shake up crypto with this layer one that solves a lot of problems that Ethereum has.
Yeah. Do we want to do we're going to do the winner on show right now?
Yeah, I'll do it.
So you can input the retweets, and I'll talk about the post.
Okay. I'm going to do it on my phone, guys. I'm going to show you like this just because it's saved here, and I'm not going to go through the login process on my computer. But I'll show you guys exactly how we do that. So you got about 2 minutes to get your retweet in, to tag 2 friends, and then it's closed off. So someone's going to win.
Pulsechain, in my opinion, right now looks very bullish. I personally think it takes 6 months to get a 10x in sacrificers, but it might happen before that. And this is coming from me that's trying to be very conservative on what I think. When you look at a trader wants this level right here, this red level right here. This is like buy the blood. That's why you see it's red, buy the blood area. You know, it's from the top to the bottom. If you're able to get into this area, buy the blood. I love buying in this area in a coin that I really like to have an opportunity to do it. That shit got front ran. That shit got front ran, bro. Like,
well, it could still dip a little more.
It could, but I don't think it's happening. I see the candle going up as we speak. When I take this line, which is a time of retest, it hit it to a T and front ran this line. If I have an opportunity to buy in this area, I am buying and I am backing up the truck. But I don't think I'm getting the opportunity to buy in that area. Here's the funny thing. Where does the target lead to? If you take the high, the low, and see where it got front ran, a doji. A doji is a good thing. Why is a doji is a good thing? It shows indecision. And if there's indecision on whether you want to go up or down, this decision is saying, nah, I don't think we want to go down anymore. And now it's going up. If we trade above the doji, it becomes bullish. The high of this doji is 0.0001335. We just traded over it and we were sitting above that doji. I think the bearishness of PLS is over. I still think it takes 6 months to get a 10x, October, November. But it might be over. Maybe you might get up here and then come down here a little bit, move up a little here, come over here, move up there. But we're moving up as we speak. Maybe up here a little bit and go. There's a target of a 4.0045, 3 zeros and a 45. The next target, 0007. The next target, 00097. And after that, there's your 10x. It's lining up to the TA. Show me the news.
Show you the chart.
Show me the chart. Show me the chart. I'll tell you the news. I personally think the bearishness might be over. And the TA from the top to the bottom literally tells you that there are targets right here at a 10x. So maybe June is bullish for Ethereum because it's breaking out on Bitcoin. But because Pulsechain is a Ethereum fork and will likely do what Ethereum does and then some, because that's the marketing behind it, maybe people are getting behind it, and we're going to see a hell of a June on Pulsechain too.
Absolutely. I think we're going to have a great summer, guys. We're in for a good year. Just know, even when it gets fuddy, bearish, and it's kind of like annoying and you get like discouraged, your bags are down, just know, guys, we're positioning ourselves right now, right here for a massive bull run, which could be the last crypto cowboy Wild West bull run that we've had. Whoa.
Pulsechain! Pulsechain! Where the Pulsechain crew at? I'm just saying, where's the Pulsechain crew? You know, B Roots was getting on you. You know, jazz, pop, 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 pop. And then y'all came back around with the haymaker, bro. What is that?
You were throwing uppercuts.
So I'm like, you see my line where I was about to load up the truck. I was loading the truck right here because you know what I like. I don't need I don't need that. But when I take this, like I said, I haven't done this. I just put a line where I would back up the truck. It actually hit that red line.
You wanted below the red line. You were getting
greedy,
bro.
This, bro. Like I want the blood. I want Rackham's pulse. Sell me another 100 billion Pulsechain Rackham. I know you got it. Sell it. Get me down in here. But the market said no. So what you saw, what I just said about Pulsechain, hey, I mean, right now, that doji, you're trading well above the doji. Now, Pulsechain's got a longer way to go. You know, to get back to sacrifice prices is right there. Pulsechain's already at sacrifice and going up. So in my opinion, the market right there is saying Pulsechain is better than Pulsechain. But right now, Pulsechain got hit harder, so Pulsechain is going to bounce harder. And that's what we're seeing right now. You're seeing a bigger pump. It went to that red line, but you're seeing a bigger pump. So what are you getting now? Pulsechain or Pulsechain? I don't know. I still got some beliefs. Come on. Just like that guy. I didn't sell right here. I wasn't that guy that I saw on Twitter like, why? I sold my Pulsechain. I sold my Pulsechain. I'm like Rackham the Wreckham Rishal, however you say it.
Who is Rackham? Just a Pulsechain?
He's the number one sacrificer in all of Pulsechain and Pulsechain.
Wow.
And this dude sold. Why? Bro, let's get it, man. It's going to be a good cycle. The cycle's already starting. Let's get it. Why?
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Well, we're going to be doing I'm going to be doing the giveaway right now. We're going to also do the Shield Tank tweet. And if you guys want to look more into Reveal and you want to hear from the dev tomorrow, tune in for that. And also another chance to win $1,000 in Reveal. So you'll have that opportunity. But let's go ahead and give away some money, man, to our loyal YouTube listeners. Let's get it, guys.
Wait. Before we do that, you got about 1 minute after this stream to where I post it on Twitter. So take that information.
Yeah,
I haven't posted on Twitter yet, but it is coming. KuCoin.
It's coming hard.
Pancake Swap. Those are the places that you can look into Reveal. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research. There you go.
Absolutely. All right, guys. This is how we do it right here. You could do it on the computer. I just haven't logged in because we always do it on Twitter Spaces. So this is how we do it. You see we got one person right there. Usually we have to put 10 because you have to be on Shield Tank. You got to know the secret word. So we might have to pick a bunch of people when we keep loading it up. So with that being said, let's go ahead. We got one winner. Let's go. Oh, press the wrong button.
Fail.
All right. Let's try this one more time. Oh, you did not just log me out. Nah, it didn't. It didn't. All right. Let me make sure I got the right spot. Bam. And start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Moon Jennifer. That's what I'm talking about. Got a mooner. Moon King.
Jennifer.
Moon Jennifer is my girl right there. Well,
Moon Jennifer.
I'm hoping you're the 13%.
Oh,
but if you're not, that's my girl right there.
Let's see what's up with Moon Jennifer.
Moon Jennifer, are you here on Twitter? Are you here on we gotta see you here. Is she here?
Moon Jennifer. So what?
Well, I guess there really is no way because their YouTube would have to be the same as Twitter, but they won. We'll give it to them. They won.
Yeah.
Congrats, Moon Jennifer.
If we can find her.
Is she here?
I'll search later. If you're here, drop your app because that's the problem. This thing only gives the name. It doesn't. I guess if you click on it. Anyways,
there's really no way.
Moon Jennifer.
Moon Jennifer won point blank. Even if she didn't show up on, she retweeted it, so she won.
Yeah, she won her. She won it, guys. We have Shill Tank. Don't worry, guys. If you did not win today, you got Shill Tank tomorrow, 12:30 Eastern with Reveal. They're going to come on. Lead Dev's going to speak, and you guys are going to get some more information.
Dixon said that Bieber's wife just win.
Wow.
Dad, man, y'all gonna do that to me?
Wow, Dixon. We love. Hey, appreciate you, Dixon.
Bro, my wife absolutely hates any social media. My wife doesn't want to be seen. My wife is the last thing. She anytime I do any type of videos with Moon King, she hates these glasses. She absolutely hates this hat. She is the anti-me. Trust me. She is the opposite of me. I didn't say anti-me, but the opposite of me. But yeah, man.
That's funny.
Hey, Reveal. Don't sleep. Just gonna put it that way. Don't sleep. Get it in.
Yes, sir. All right, boy. All right, y'all. We'll see you guys on Shill Tank tomorrow, 12:30. Stay tuned. Retweet it, guys. Let's win some money, man. We're gonna put that out there in just a couple of minutes. So make sure you guys check that out and do the instructions because you guys can win $1,000 tomorrow on Shill Tank, and we'll hopefully find another banger. And we'll see you soon.
So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make that green. Yo, they got a lit show, Cryptokings, showing you how to invest to live your dreams. So for those of you who want to make that change, you need some crypto to help you to make